Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign in HubSpot. Whether you're launching a new product, promoting an event, or running a marketing initiative, organizing everything under one campaign helps you track performance and keep your team aligned. Let's walk through the setup process. First, head over to HubSpot.com and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one or start a free trial to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your marketing activities. Now, look at the left side navigation and hover over or click on Marketing. This will expand a submenu with various marketing tools and features. From here, locate and click on Campaigns to open the Campaigns area where you can manage all your marketing campaigns in one place. In the upper right corner of the Campaigns page, you'll see a button labeled Create Campaign. Click this to start building your new campaign. HubSpot will present you with options to either start from scratch or use a pre-built template. Templates are helpful because they come with recommended structures based on common campaign types. For this tutorial, we'll use a template, so click Next, then select a template that matches the type of campaign you're launching, whether it's a product launch, webinar promotion, or seasonal sale. Once you've chosen your template, you'll see a Details panel where you need to enter your campaign information. Start by giving your campaign a unique name that clearly identifies what it's about. You can also assign a campaign owner, which is useful for accountability and tracking who's responsible for the campaign's success. Additionally, set your campaign's start date and end date to define the time frame and specify a campaign goal to measure what you're trying to achieve, whether that's lead generation, brand awareness, or conversions. Next, define your campaign audience by specifying who you're targeting. This helps everyone on your team understand the intended recipients and ensures your messaging stays focused. You'll also want to attach or create assets like emails, landing pages, social posts, or ads that are part of this campaign. Use the editor to add or link these assets directly to your campaign, making sure each one is clearly labeled and properly associated so you can track their performance together. Before you finalize everything, take a moment to review your campaign details, double-check the campaign name, audience, dates, and all linked assets to ensure everything aligns with your plan. Verify that the ownership and goals accurately reflect what you're trying to accomplish. Once you're confident everything looks good, click Publish or Save to finalize your campaign setup. Your campaign is now live and ready to track. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.